Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome to our lesson today, which we are going to talk about work. Work in general, in science or in physics especially, it's different than the word that we use it every day. For example, in physics, we say that we do work when we move something from one place to another. Like this eraser, okay? I say that I do work when I apply a force or exert a force on this eraser to move it this distance, okay? So to do a work in physics, we need to have two conditions: apply a force and have a distance. Of course, the distance should be in the direction of the force, okay? But in everyday life, it's different. For example, if I want to hold like my phone, like this, I'm holding my phone, I picked it from the ground, okay, and I hold it like this. In everyday life word we use, I'm doing work, but in physics, I'm not doing any work. Why? Because I'm not moving it. Although I am now applying a force on this phone, okay, but I'm not moving it. There's no distance, it means there's no work in physics, okay? So let's write the formula of the work. We can say that work equals to force multiple distance. Of course, this distance we should note, or we should remember, that is in the direction, of the force. Okay, so this is the formula of work, how to calculate. If we want to write like a simple formula for the work, we say W equals F multiple D. This is the formula for the work. Of course, we should remember that always the force is measured in Newton. So if the force is given in kilonewton or meganewton or millionewton, etc., we have to change to Newton, okay? And of course, the distance, it should be measured in meter, okay? Again, if the distance is given in kilometer or centimeter or millimeter or any other unit, we should or we must change it to meter. This is the SI units, okay? Right. So here we can assume that the unit of work is actually Newton multiple meter, or what we call it, it has another name, which is joules. So we have basically two units of the work. It's Newton multiple meter or joules. Okay, so this is in general the definition of work, its formula and its units. Okay, so we can use this formula either to find the work or force or distance. Let's put this formula in a triangle. If I want to find the distance or the force, we put this formula here. Look, because the work here is alone, I put it up here alone at the top. And because these two are together, they are multiplied together, so down I put F multiple D. Okay, so let's say the question says calculate the distance. So what do? I cover the distance here, so it will be work by force. If they ask me about the force, let me cover. I cover the force, it will be work by distance. Okay, let's write it here. Okay, I hope you copied these information. Let me erase because I need some space. So here I can say force equals, again, let me cover, it will be W by D, work by distance. Force will be work by distance. Okay, and if I want the distance, I cover, it will be work by force. So distance will be work by force. I hope everything is clear. This is the definition of the work, the formula, and the other formulas that we can derive from the main one. Remember that always we put the unit of work is either Newton meter or joules. Okay, I hope everything is clear. If you have any question, leave it in the comments below. Thank you.